Hello, and welcome to FTx Academy. My name is Michael, and I will be walking you through setting up and understanding the retail scan data reports, as well as the specific settings for those reports and their respective manufacturers. Currently, we offer support for 3 manufacturers, RJR, PM, and ITG. We will be covering the nuances of setting up scan data submissions for each of these manufacturers. Let's get to it. To navigate to the scan data setup page from the dashboard, on the left side, you'll click Point of Sale, Reports, and then navigate till you see Scan Data. On the Scan Data page, this is where you find a list of all of your different manufacturer retail scan data reports. At the top, we have our report type. Clicking this shows us a drop-down of all the different manufacturers that we're able to set up our scan data for. We have RJ Reynolds, Philip Morris, and ITG. Selecting the appropriate manufacturer gives us the setup page to automatically send our scan data or manually, whichever we decide to do. Now let's take a look at the report options for the RJ Reynolds Retail Scan Data report type. Once you have the RJ Reynolds Retail Scan Data report type selected in the top from this dropdown, all of the options from the previous report types will stay the same here on the left. So once you receive your FTP credentials from your representative, be sure to enter them into the fields here on the left. On the right side, we have the report options specific to the RJ Reynolds Retail Scan Data report type. Starting with sequential file. If you are already signed up for the program with RJ Reynolds, this is going to be where you enter your previous sequential number for your last submission. This is to ensure that there are no discrepancies in the report submitted to RJ Reynolds. Next is going to be the outlet name. This is going to be the name of your business that you used when you signed up for the program with RJ Reynolds. Next is divide multi-pack discounts. Be sure to check with your representative on how they would like you to submit your data and whether or not they would like you to divide your multi-pack discounts into separate lines on the file itself. If so, check this to yes. Next is auto flag promotions. Once again, please be sure to check with your representative if they would like you to automatically flag the promotion lines within the file. If so, also check this to yes. Next is flag as resubmission. This is to only be used if you need to resubmit a file due to either non-compliance or if the file was not received on the initial send. Be sure to communicate with your representative to let them know that you are going to be submitting a resubmission file. If this is going to be a resubmission, just check this to yes, and it will rename the file to resub so that the representative recognizes that it is a resubmission on their end. And then lastly, coupon department. When you click on this option, it gives you a drop-down of all of your departments within the control center for your account. Here is where you will select the coupon used for logging those manufacturer coupons. This is to ensure that all transactions involving those coupons are captured within the scan data file submitted. And that's been the report options for the RJ Reynolds Retail Scan Data report type.